Hi guys,
Hey guys,
welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yes.
Not
not this week.
Despite the setup, as you can see, we will not be shooting at YaadMentz Tries today.
Right.
But we have something very special in store. Tell them about it.
Alright, so we had shot some videos last year for our season 4 of YaadMentz, but we didn't get to put out season 4 last year.
Yeah,
right,
but we will.
We're still working on YaadMentz season 4. We want to at least have a YaadMentz Tries and a YaadMentz season 4 doing at the same time. But this video in particular, just a disclaimer, things might have changed since we have been there. But we want you to watch and enjoy it.
Just the same.
The same.
Yeah, so it's just a little disclaimer, but we know that you guys should enjoy just the same. We have a couple videos to come also, so just keep on watching.
Everybody, welcome
guys.
to the first episode is
Yeah, this is
four.
the first episode in our season 4 YaadMentz.
Yeah, I know you guys probably haven't seen us for a long time.
Yeah.
You should know by now that we've been busy. We've been, getting life, doing stuff.
Other stuff.
Yeah, but you guys will see, or you would have seen already. So today, where are we today?
We are at Bamboo Blu in Ocho Rios.
Bamboo Blu, the sign is right here.
Yeah, can see the sign.
Yeah,
We show a
we're
clip of it.
It's basically like a beach club almost.
I'm not even sure, but today we're going to find out about Bamboo Beach. I've never heard of it before, so it's like our first time here. It is right beside Rio. Like right after you come off the highway, it is like right there. I didn't know it existed, like for real.
Yeah. I think they have restaurants here and stuff. So basically just going to check out what they have. We just arrived here, so we're not really sure what they're about yet, but we'll see.
Stay tuned and see more. YaadMentz season 4.
Season 4.
So welcome back, guys.
Welcome back. Remember we said we came to Bamboo
Blu.
Yes.
BLU.
Ocho. Yes, it's not BLU, it's BLU.
BLU, yeah.
Yeah, it's here in Ocho Rios, as we stated before. It's right beside Rio.
Right beside Rio, like next door, like the next
door
neighbor.
Kind of like as you come off the highway, you have 2 ways to travel, and then it's a right turn, and you come down on a road, and you walk up here. I didn't even know about this place, as we said before. I don't know if it's a well-kept secret.
Yeah.
But you guys are doing a good job at keeping it a secret because we have never heard of it.
But our day here was good.
Yeah,
I get to go into the water, try the food here. We didn't bring in the food, so we had planned to buy the food. So we tried the food here. Just chillax under a cabana for the day. It was really nice.
And they have a lot of space. I mean, if you come here in a large group, you don't have to worry about parking. They have adequate parking.
Right.
They have adequate places for you to put your stuff and be shaded at the same time. They have a whole lot of beach chairs that persons can take.
And sit under different shade areas. They take advantage of the shaded areas as well. They have lifeguards here.
Yeah.
They have a court for volleyball
and a lot of security
to keep in line because Rio is right next door. They don't really want us to people to go over into Rio or other private properties as well.
Yeah.
There's a big parking space. I think they can hold a lot. So if as Devon had said, small group, church group, whatever kind of group, come and it's really nice.
So the food that we had, they have different stuff.
Right.
You can get 2 meats or 1 meat. I think today they had escovitch fish,
jerk chicken, fried chicken, jerk pork. With you get that with rice and peas and pasta salad.
So I had
and soup.
Yeah, they have soup as well.
We never had the soup.
And they have drinks because they have a bar area as well.
Disclaimer: we never get any pictures, any footage of the food.
Yeah, sorry. We were so hungry that we kind of just.
Sometimes it happen like if we don't see our footage, it's because we're so caught up in what we are doing, we forgot to take a picture.
Because we do like to enjoy what we do at the same time.
So don't roast.
Don't attack me. But
anyway,
It was good just the same. I had the fried chicken, rice and peas and tossed salad. And you had what?
I had the jerk chicken and the escovitch fish.
Yeah.
Right.
It wasn't bad. It was okay. full my belly, did the job,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
It was nice, can't complain about it.
And there are two different prices. So you have one meat for 600 and something, and
That's
two
what I
meat
took.
for 700 and something dollars. So that's, I took the 2 meat, she took the 1
Yeah.
meat. So yeah, and then what else when it was like she said there's a bar, there's an area as well, there's a nice little pool area where they keep
Conch
and
and
lobster
and stuff,
all
and
sorts
you
of
can
puffer
choose.
fish in there.
Yeah.
Right, so if you want it to be prepared for you, I think you can buy it at a cost. I never asked the cost, but them little thing
Yes,
there,
you of course you have to buy it at a cost.
kind of prices still, so I don't know. Never asked about it, but anyway, there's a bar. I keep saying bar here, but there's a nice little bar, shaded area where you can chill as well. There are nice chairs. There's a shop as well that they sell like
souvenirs.
Souvenirs, as like a souvenir
like a
shop.
gift shop.
You know, if you want some Jamaican cloth, suit, shirt, slippers.
Yeah, anything, souvenirs.
Craft.
We get it. We get it.
Right.
We get it. And their bathroom facilities too, I think they were very clean.
Yeah.
Sometimes we go places and we're not the only ones here, so it's a group of persons that are actually here.
So they keep it
and
clean.
the bathroom is very clean. I recognize that the person on duty kept wiping up and ensuring that there was toilet paper, ensuring that the place is not wet because you know you're at the beach and people in and out with the sand and everything, and the place was very clean. The soap was there. You know, sometimes you go someplace, you don't know towel, you're not a tissue, you're not a soap. But they have all those things and they're well stocked. You have people actually checking in to make sure, you know, that the place is adequate.
Right. Also, the beach is nice. Coming from Portmore, where I think Portmore Beach have a little thing I go and see it right now.
It has a little situation, you know.
So it's a nice getaway from
that's the situation
from the
over
beach.
there.
It's clean, it's pretty. I did get some footage off the beach, but not me in it. I never need it. Another disclaimer: we weren't getting the footage of that. Yeah, we try to enjoy the day today. What else?
There's an area for volleyball as well.
I think I mentioned that.
No.
Oh yeah, there's an area for volleyball you can play. There's a thing set up for volleyball.
And you can play football on the sand
beach.
because there's enough space
On the sand.
between the sand, the sea and the sand. You know, so you go hill shop and the sea is literally right and you barely have any place for sand. But here it's clean, it's pretty. You can see that they really pay attention to upkeeping it and stuff.
It's a nice,
very breezy. Even if you don't want to go in the water, you can just keep back on a cabana, read your book, whatever you want to do, and just chill out and look at the sea.
Yeah, it was a nice getaway from the hostel.
And you know, say it breezy because you see my clothes are blow like
it's very, very windy. What else we never mentioned? Well, I
think that's basically it.
That's basically it. I think we'll cover most
And I feel like today have a nice greenery area in case people would like to. I don't know if they have like events like weddings or stuff like that, but they have a nice greenery area as well. And of course, with the name being Bamboo Blu, there are lots of bamboo everywhere. They kind of set it up like that. So a lot of a part of the decor is the bamboo, which is it's cool.
Right. So there are lifeguards on the beach. There are different stalls where you can shower on the beach
definitely.
as well.
You have places to shower and shower.
Right, and whatever.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it. So it's time for the YaadMentz ratings. This is the YaadMentz rating. Thumbs up. Alright, so how much thumbs up you give this property today?
I give it 3 thumbs up and a half a thumb. So I give it a 3.5.
3.5 thumbs up. Okay.
What about you? What you?
I'll give it 3 thumbs up. Reason being, I think I don't know. There's something missing for me.
But you can't tell us what is missing. What's missing?
Sometimes I just can't tell what is missing, but there's something that's missing. Probably if they had like a water sport, because it's a nice little excluded thing. So I don't know, but it was okay. But I'll give it a 3. I think there's something.
Yeah, well, I mean, you never know. Maybe next time we come here, they improve on something, have more activities or something. You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
But it was a great day here at Bamboo Blu.
Right.
We are so happy that we actually
I'm happy that I came because I've never never heard of the place, so it's a good thing to learn something new today. So we did learn somewhere new.
Definitely.
So it was good.
Yeah. So we really want to thank you guys for tuning in to first episode in season 4.
Yeah.
We know that we've been gone a while, but we're gonna try and pick up the pace.
Yeah, we need to get back
and get at it again. And we want to thank you for everybody who has subscribed between that long period between season 3
we got
and
a lot
season
of new
4.
subscribers. So big up
and we
everybody.
have been posting consistently, and we've gotten a lot of subscribers. So big up yourself. Give us a thumb up if you're a new subscriber, or comment if you're a new subscriber.
Right.
We really appreciate all the love that you guys have been giving us.
Yes.
Just the same.
Yeah.
And remember to still leave your comments about where you think we should go here in Jamaica. Yeah. So guys, remember to follow us also on Instagram and follow us on Facebook.
Us on Facebook,
Yes, like us on Facebook. Sorry. We have a Facebook page, YaadMentz. Just search YaadMentz and see
the handles
we will
come up. The
We will
different
come
handles
up.
come up. And Google, just Google it, because Google YaadMentz.
Yeah, and you will see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to thank you again. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends
Big
as
up
well.
everybody.
Let us know if you've been to Bamboo Blu. Let us know if you know about it.
Trust me, man, I first me hear about that place. And
Yes, you have said it about 50 million times.
Yeah, but it's because it's the first.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in our next episode.
YaadMentz season